Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Not too bad. Yeah. Hey bud, what you doing? You getting a car wash? Welcome back to the channel, Peace and Nature. My name is Easy Glaze, and today we got a Karcher pressure washer, 1700 PSI. It's pretty cheap on Amazon, about 150 or 160, somewhere around there. I'm hoping it does the job. I got a pool ladder to wash down. I have the house to wash down, and you know, everything that needs to be done around the backyard, right? So hopefully this does the trick, and I hope it will last. It says down there 3-year limited warranty. So I guess that's a good thing. All right, I'm gonna take it out the box. It should be an easy assemble, and let's get started. Inside the box, it comes with a manual and a warranty sheet to fill out. This was super easy to assemble. All you need to do is put the handle on, the wheels, comes with a pin connect, super easy, and then you screw this piece on for the water hose. I'm gonna plug my water hose right up in there, and then we're gonna hit this pool ladder. Let's see if it works. I also had this detergent here. I already had it, so let's see how that works. That's the soap dispenser, no bleach. This is the wand here, the trigger, and it comes with 3 pieces. It comes with a turbo, 15 degrees nozzle, and a soap nozzle. All right, I'm all plugged in. I got my water hose connected. I'm not gonna add soap yet. I just wanna see the pressure. We're gonna use the turbo. Oh, where's my wand? Here we go. Got an extension wand here. Push that in, turn. There we go. And moment of truth. Has this neat foot pedal on and off. Oh yeah. What happened there? Okay, so let's try this again. Oh, okay. You gotta press the trigger so the motor could work. Here we go. This is with no soap. Let's see what it does. There we go. Hit it close. That's with no soap. Let's see this side. No soap. Okay, definitely has some grime on it. So let's hit it with some soap and let's see how it does. All right, let's change this nozzle out. I gotta push down here, right? Oh, that seems a little. Okay, that was a little hard. Just a little pressure. There we go. All right, let's hit it with some soap. I put soap already. Oh, I got a hornet trying to chase me down. You see that, guys? All right, the hornet stopped chasing me. Let's hit it with some soap. Let's go. All right, we hit it with some soap. I'll let it sit for a minute and then I'll hit it with the nozzle. Okay, the soap says don't let it completely dry, so I gave it like 2 minutes. Let's hit it now. I got the turbo nozzle on. Not bad. When you get closer, it hits it better. Let's see the top part here, because that's the bottom. That's going to be on the floor. Let's see this with the green. Trying to get all the grass stains out. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Not too bad. Yeah. Hey bud, what you doing? You getting a car wash? I don't want you getting wet by this water. Add some soap. So move to the side, bud.
This is to get clean.
Later. Let's move to the side, okay? Look at that. Not bad. This part doesn't even have soap on it. Let's sit it here. Move back, bud. Yeah, that doesn't even have soap on it. Move away, bud. All right.
Because of the soap water.
Yeah, not too bad. This was all grass stained up. I'm gonna hit it with more soap, but you guys, let me know what you think. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this Karcher pressure washer.
What?
1700 PSI. You think it's good? Thumbs up?
Where?
Yeah, not bad.
And the soap water's having me with the scrape. The scrape is going away with that.
The scrape? What are you talking about, buddy?
The scrape, you know, the scrape it's going away.
Yeah, okay. Tell everybody to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay.
Look at me. You gotta say it. I got the camera on. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. Peace.